Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple and reliable PIR-based human motion detector circuit step by step, which can be used to trigger a relay and any attached device, such as lights, alarm, or any desired mains gadget as per one's application needs. So let us begin. First, we take a normal PIR sensor module like this one, nothing special here. Most modules come with 3 pins marked as plus 5 volts, out and ground, so we know what goes where. In many cases the pins match exactly like shown, but however, if you are using some other PIR model, then let us slow down and check the datasheet first, since mixing pins here can mess things up fast. Now, let us add a 1K quarter-watt resistor in series with the positive supply line of the PIR module. This resistor matters a lot, we cannot skip it. It limits excess current, therefore it keeps the PIR internal circuit calm, and it also cuts down random triggering that happens because of supply noise or spikes, so now things stay stable. Next, take a BC547 NPN transistor and keep it ready. Connect the out pin of the PIR module straight to the base of the BC547. You do not need another base resistor here, because the PIR already gets power through the 1K resistor we added earlier, so then the base drive stays under control. After that, connect the emitter of the BC547 to the ground pin of the PIR module. This point now becomes the common 0 volts reference. We can say the ground line for the whole circuit, simple and clean. Now, take a standard 5-pin cube relay and look at it carefully. 2 pins are for the relay coil, and the other 3 are COM, NO, and NC. NO means normally open, and C means normally closed. Let us remember this layout now, because we will use it in the next steps, otherwise confusion will come later. Next, connect a 1N4007 diode directly across the relay coil terminals. The diode goes in reverse polarity, and it works as flyback protection. When the relay turns off, then high voltage spikes appear, so this diode protects the BC547 from getting damaged. Now, connect the free end of the 1K resistor to the cathode side of the relay diode and also to the relay coil terminal. This point becomes the plus 12 volt supply input for the full PIR relay circuit, so now power distribution is set. After this, connect the collector pin of the BC547 to the anode side of the 1N4007 diode, which is already tied to the relay coil. When motion happens, then the transistor switches, and the relay turns on or off accordingly, that is the switching action. Now, for testing and visual check, connect an LED with a series 1K resistor across the relay coil terminals. Whenever the PIR detects motion and the relay activates, then the LED glows, so we instantly know the circuit is working, no guessing needed. That is it, nothing more to add. When a human body moves in front of the PIR sensor, then the output goes high, the BC547 switches on, the relay energizes, and the LED lights up. This circuit can now control lights, alarms, or any external load through the relay contacts. So friends, this is how you can build a working PIR motion detector circuit using a PIR sensor, BC547 transistor, and a relay. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it, and subscribe to the channel for more practical electronics projects and explanations. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.